Okay, this is the Pirates of Caribbean, and this is page 2, and measure, I'm starting from measure 31 with metronome on 40, hands together slowly, and then just left hand alone. Okay, so here's hands together slowly on metronome on 40, and 1, 2, and 3. I think I did medium okay. So I'm gonna go over left hand first. So you're playing D and A, and then it's D octave 4 times. Then G octave 4 times with G. 2, 3, 4. Now quarters F octaves. 1, 2, 3. Now it's gonna go F C quickly. Dun dun da da. 3 more C's. G da 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 D da 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 A bum bum dum. Now it's gonna be our pit. Da 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 dum. D, another D. 2 and 3 and F. 2 and 3. 1 C 2 C C. I'll stop and I'm gonna go back to right hand. So 2 3 and 1 2. Oops. 1 2 3. 1 and 2 3. 1 2 and 3 and 1 2 and 3 and 1 2 3 1. Now here's the arpeggio. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now this part, let's go hand separately. Right hand. A B, A B, A C sharp, A C sharp, A D, A D, A E, A E. 3 notes. A D F, A D F. Back to A D, A D, A E, A E, A D F. A F sharp, A G sharp, very intense, and boom, B flat D, F sharp A. Now left hand's gonna go A G G F F E E F F F F E E E D and D D D D D D. Done. Now let's go hands together. It creates such a tension. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3. Okay, and I think that's it.